Hot-footed, unveiling the mystery of this fiery phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that might have left you scratching your head, hot-footed. It's a phrase that packs punch and speed, and we're here to unpack its meaning and usage. So, let's get started and explore this expression step by step. Hot-footed is an adjective that is often used to describe someone moving quickly or hurriedly. It evokes an image of someone with their feet so hot that they need to move fast to cool them down. But don't worry, it's not literal. It's a figurative way to say that someone is going somewhere fast. Curious where hot-footed comes from? It's believed to have its origins in early 20th century American slang. The phrase conveys urgency and haste, as if one is stepping on hot ground and cannot keep their feet in place for long. Let's put hot-footed into action. Here's how you can use it. After hearing the news, she hot-footed it to the office to find out more. The thief hot-footed out of the store before anyone could catch him. Notice how it vividly describes the action of moving quickly, often with a sense of urgency or to escape something. Interestingly, hot-footed can also be a part of the phrase, to hot-foot it, which turns the adjective into a verbal phrase. For example, I'll need to hot-foot it to the station if I want to catch the early train. While hot-footed is quite versatile, it's important to use it in the right context. It's perfect for informal conversations and creative writing, but might be out of place in very formal or serious communication. And there you have it, the phrase, hot-footed, demystified. Next time you see someone rushing or you need to describe a quick movement, you've got the perfect term. Hope you found this explanation helpful and that you'll hot-foot